IME East, the East Coast's largest design and manufacturing event, was electric, with 3 days of insights and solutions spanning medtech, packaging, automation, plastics, design, and quality. The mood in the Javits Center in New York City was incredible, with engineers, designers, and decision makers uniting to solve problems and move manufacturing forward.
The show brings different technologies, new innovation, new technology, and it's really exciting to see. Every year it keeps changing.
My week has been very wonderful. I've had a nice time both meeting a lot of different people, and it's been very nice that the community here is very welcoming and people are willing to offer much more advice than I was expecting.
And with over 300 exhibitors, each day brought plenty of opportunities to connect with experts across multiple verticals and industries.
What we have here is our 1-ton Sharpa, which is an AMR, your autonomous mobile type robotics. And then this particular area here is where we would customize the hitch.
So this is an example of a collaborative technology that really is comprised of two different products. A robot made by Universal Robots, and then our palletizer solution, which is a pedestal as well as gripper, and then it also has a software package that really allows the customer to take ownership.
Here we have the Robot S7 with 110-inch wrap height. The film is attached to the roll or to the load. One touch and we start the wrap cycle.
It's been a great week, and that's a wrap for IME East. Don't forget to follow us on social and stay connected. IME East, transforming the future of manufacturing.